Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this cute and easy hairstyle. Okay, so the name is Butterfly Locks and it's from Niseyo company. I'm going to leave all the details of this company down below for you guys. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Love you. finesse. If I broke never business, go like to for like for the night too. For like for the night too. Finesse. If I broke now my business. We have done the front part of the hair and I'm running late for a party. Oh my god, like horrible. But anyways, let me just say real quick that I've used 2 packs and a half, and I still have 3 packs, guys. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but yeah, I have 3 packs left. 3, I don't know, but let me continue. So I have finished doing my hair. So finally it took me only 2 hours, exactly 2 hours to do this hair. And even if I thought that I won't have more hair left, I only used 5 packs, so I have 1 full pack remaining. So I'm in a rush. I never knew I'm going to even meet up, because like it's the first time I'm doing this hairstyle, which is butterfly locks. So I mean, it's not that full because I mean they are locks, okay? So oh my god, I'm going to do my makeup and show my outfit before I go. So yeah, that's it. I mean, I like it. I'm really liking it. The only thing is that I wanted this to look equal, but anyways, no wahala. I'm going to do a quick style with this. Yeah, something of this nature. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm loving this style. I'm loving it. Okay, so let me go and do my makeup and I'll be back. Okay.